Okay, how to turn negativity into productive action. That's what this is about. So check it out. Thank you for watching or listening. My name is Liberty V Justice. There's no period in my V because my victories never end, and I'm here to help you get your victories, legends. If you're watching on YouTube, leave a comment. If you're listening on my Rhythm for Revenue podcast, share this with a friend who needs this today. That's the fee. This is free. I do this for you. The fee is share this with someone who needs to hear this today. Guys, you're worth it. Check it out. So, I got a lot of problems with you people, all right? I'm so angry, and so I'm going to take that anger and turn it into productive action. My hope, my wish, my prayer, my dream for everything that I do is that you will take what I'm doing, my podcast, my YouTube channel, my products, the things that I sell you things like Everyone Lotion with Thrive Market. By the way, get your membership, 40% off your first order. With Thrive Market, when you use my link, you get 40% off your first order, all natural products, non-GMO, fair trade, and you get free shipping, and you also get to give a free membership with every membership that you buy for Thrive. You give a free membership to someone in need, like a cop or another first responder, a veteran like myself, a teacher, a student, or a family, or a disabled person, or an elderly person, someone in need, okay? So check it out. All these things that I do, selling you healthy food, my podcast, my YouTube, everything that I do, I was screaming for the fucking rooftops. My Facebook live stream that I'm doing right now, it's going to turn into a podcast on YouTube. I will scream for the fucking rooftops. I will scream till my throat gets sore until I'm dead, and I'll come back from the dead, and I swear to God, I'm going to haunt you. Because I want you to know that you're worth it. You need to stop playing the victim. That's what I'm pissed off about. I'm tired of people playing the victim. My middle name is literally Victorious because I don't lose anymore, baby. I ain't no victim. And I'm here to help you. Okay? I'm here to show you the way. Stop being a victim. Stop acting like a little bitch. Just like you said, Grant Cardone says, don't be a little bitch. See, you're being a bitch. You are acting like a little bitch because you're allowing people to hold you down. You sit there, and this is what pisses me off. Everybody says they want something. They want to be successful in business. They want to be successful on YouTube. They want to be a successful author, successful in entertainment in some way, music, whatever it may be, that you want to be successful, when in reality, you really don't want it because you're allowing other people's negativity and other people's hatred towards you and them telling you, you can't do that, or you suck, and you're blaming it on them when really it's on you. You need to put it to work. You know why? Because I'll tell you why. Here's what I live for. I'm pissed, but you know what I use that anger for? I get off on sticking it. All you motherfuckers that said I can't do it, bitch, I'm doing it. You can't stop me, okay? Not a motherfucker out this world can stop me. Because I have a purpose and I know what I want to do and I know who I am. And I'm here to help you, show you, and you can do the same thing too. Ain't nothing better in this motherfucking world than when you beat somebody. Two things there's nothing better than. And they both are the same thing basically. When people say you can't fucking do something, you do it and you stick it to them. Bitch, I did it. And then when you do it, guess what? The only thing better than that is watching other people do it and knowing that you are a part in it. So that's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you get your victories, legends. You're a legend. Stop telling me, in the time that you sit there and you complain about all these other people and what they're doing and mommy did this 20 years ago, dad did that, and he's dead now. All these people that you claim hurt you, that are holding you back. No, you hold you back. I held me back. My dad raped me when I was a kid. Okay, guess what though? That was me feeling bad about it. That was me not liking myself. That was me being angry. That was me being resentful until one day I woke the fuck up and realized that it had nothing to do with me. He didn't try to hurt me. He was doing it because he wanted to do it, because he was selfish. But I forgave my dad. I love my dad. I wish nothing bad. I wish only good for my dad, my mom, my brother, my sister, my ex, everybody. I wish nothing good for everybody in this world. Even the mean haters, the people like, I'm not going to say any names, but the person that tried to stop me on my TikTok, who's calling me, harassing me on my phone, but I don't answer anymore, because now it goes straight to voicemail because all the unknown numbers go straight to voicemail because I blocked them for good. You're done, okay? You're done, bitch. Look, nobody can stop you but you. I'm tired of hearing your excuses, okay? So, it's called a production pivot. And I got this idea for this podcast because I've had all these things that I wanted to say. And I've had all these things on my heart that I wanted to say. And suddenly I've been listening to Andy Frisella. And he has a podcast. He also has a YouTube channel. I listen to this man every day. Him and Grant Cardone. The one that Grant says, don't be a little bitch. And he's the same. Andy Frisella gave me this idea because he's the same way. He likes to stick it to people. He likes to laugh. And when he succeeds, he'll make himself succeed. Like me, I'll make myself succeed just to fucking prove you wrong. And that's what I get off on. I get off on dominating daily. Motherfucker, I get up at 3 a.m. and I get more shit done in one day than most people do their whole fucking life. Sad for them. Good for me and good for you who's listening, who actually wants this advice and wants to know how to win, okay? This is all about mindset. Just like Andy Frisella, his is about mindset, but he owns a business. It's a very successful fitness business, and he sells supplements. And he started off, he was very overweight. So Andy and I have a lot in common, but now he has a podcast for mindset for entrepreneurs, and I love it. I'll link him up below. I love him because he's just raw. Like, he's up in your face. He don't give a fuck. And Andy, I just found out Andy struggled for like 10 years. He only made like $600 a month for like the first 10 years. So that gives me hope. Like, wow, I don't want to take 10 years. No offense, Andy. Love you, man. But I don't want to take 10. Anyway, the show is called Real AF, real as fuck. He tells the truth, and he really is real as fuck. So I love this about Andy, and Andy gave me this idea. It's called a production pivot. When you take negativity and you turn it into productive action. What's up, Yarth? So basically, I'm pissed and I'm sick and tired of everybody telling me that I can't do it. My mommy told me I got to do this. My daddy said I got to go to college. People tell me they feel bad. They get mad at me. I don't give a fuck. You can get mad all you want, but I'm still going to live my motherfucking life. And I'm going to do it just to fucking piss you off. I hate when people try to tell me what to do, try to tell me who I am. They try to tell me what I can and cannot do. People tell me I can't do something, and bitch, I'm going to do it just to prove you wrong. So that's why I'm doing this podcast and / live stream. It's on Facebook Live. Check me out on my Facebook. The link's below, and I do this in my YouTube. Everything that I do is to show you that you can do it too. I'm tired of people tell me, well, they can't do it. And the whole time they're wasting my time. Well, I could be productive doing it. They don't take my advice. They don't watch my YouTube channel. They don't listen to my podcast. They don't purchase products from me. They don't purchase products. Well, I get a little commission when they buy from things like Everyone Lotion, Hi Yarth. When they buy Everyone Lotion and purchase a Thrive membership from me, they don't buy my coaching. They don't pay me to coach them. They don't even send me a tip on TikTok. They don't send me PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App. They do nothing for me but waste my time. They don't use my advice. They don't use my YouTube channel. And the whole time that you're telling me that you're a victim and you can't do something, I could be doing more of what I'm doing because I'm doing it. You don't tell me that you're a victim and you can't do something. People don't stop you. You stop you. People tell you that you can't do something. That's because they don't think that they can do it. But you listen to them, and then it stops you. But you're the one that stops you. The words stop you. The thoughts in your mind stop you. But if you really want to do something, you'll find the way. And if you don't, you'll find the excuse. Okay? So, no excuses. I heard a pastor say one time, it's okay to be angry. It's okay to be angry because as long as you can be angry, as long as you take that anger to go out and change the world. So Eminem says he likes to be angry all the time because it pushes him to be successful. He feels like something's wrong if he's not angry. And I feel the same way. I need to be angry because anger makes me take action. So turn that negativity, the hatred, people rejecting me. They don't want to answer my text. They don't want to watch my YouTube, my podcast. They don't want to pay me for coaching. Everybody says they have no money while they're at their fucking job, and they say they hate the job when I could be getting paid. And I have a full-time, like 24 hours day job owning the business, doing all this stuff, and I don't get appreciated for it, and I don't get paid for it financially. I don't get appreciated. But you tell me that you can't do something. You don't have time to listen to my podcast or my YouTube channel. You don't have time to tell people about me. You don't have the money either, but you do have time to smoke weed, have sex, or whatever it is that you're doing. You have time to complain to me. You have time to try to get me on the phone. You have time to go to your job and get paid, but you also don't have the money. And then all these people, they make you feel bad. No, they don't. You make you feel bad. You choose your feelings and you choose your actions. So take that negativity and turn it into productive action. Don't tell me that you can't do something. Go out, instead of talking to me, go out and take action. Make your own Facebook live stream like this one. Make your own podcast. Make your own YouTube channel. That's the best payment that I could ever receive, is you taking your own negativity and your haters and sticking it to them, and take that negativity and turn that into productive action. Fuck these haters. Fuck these people that tell you what to do. Fuck your mom, fuck your dad, fuck your brothers, your sisters, your fucking husband, fuck your girlfriend, your boyfriend, whoever the fuck it is. Fuck the people you work with. Whoever these people are that telling you can't do something, fuck them. Go do it and prove them wrong. Take that anger and turn it into productive action so that you too can say fuck you to all your haters and stick it to them. Say, I did it, because you can. You're worth it. Stop wasting my time telling me you can't do something, telling me that people are holding you back. You hold you back. Stop holding yourself back. You are worth it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Do a review for us, Rhythm for Revenue, in Apple Podcasts. Share this with a friend who needs this today. Subscribe on YouTube as well, and buy our Thrive membership. It's $60 for a whole year, and you can get Everyone lotion, which pays women 3 times what they normally would get paid. It's sustainable, gluten-free, it's vegan, all natural. Thank you everybody for watching. You are worth it.